Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make refreshing blood orange pressed gimlet. So let's start. Here I've taken a glass. Add 2 to 3 lemon pieces. Add some mint leaves. Muddle or crush them together till the lemon juices comes out. Add ice cubes, a slice of a lime, add sparkling water or a soda water, add some orange juice, or you can make homemade orange juice for it. I've taken a Tetra pack. And this is it. Try it once. Add one orange slice to decorate. And here it is. Try this out. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Have a juicy day ahead.